Konnichiwa, my students!
I just like that high sock skateboard sock sticker. Yeah, this is like the rip off of it. This is Matt. He watches the channel too.
Subscribe.
I got the other homies. Yeah. We got the other homies up here. Yeah. Hell no, I saw that footer. Do it coming back, yeah. Ooh, that was hot. You know. Hard flip. Yo, please. Please.
Gotta get the clip. Feeling of this.
Ain't trying to, it's too wild.
Yeah, tough for me.
Ooh, right there. Ooh. Yeah. That line got you. Sketchier.
And you got it coming this way.
So like weird, but you're ready looking.
Down, roll out. Woo. Nice. Down, no, it's clean, bro. No.
It's like long. And it's like, hey, look at that guy. I got a pizza. Pizza tea.
Looks a little too small for you.
Oh man, I love it. Sexy. Sex. This is Brendin.
That shit tastes like creek water. Oh.
Green time water tastes like creek water.
That's what I'm saying.
That's how you guys know.
But
All
it's
right.
so cheap.
We are dirt poor. Dirt poor.
They are.
My hat was coming off when I was about to jump. Not cool.
Geo check.
Come back. We're gonna get canceled, dog. Wow.
What the fuck?
That's what happens when you get bones bushings. That's bones, right?
I think so, yeah.
You got this fucking
Fuck, dude, this sucks, man.
blown out.
Fucking Nixper.
Damn, Nixper.
He's making come to the
Fucking suck.
Fuck you, bones.
Fuck you,
Bushings.
Bones.
Pick him up or
Piece of shit, bones, bushings, man. No, I got these for free though, so
All right.
can't even complain.
Shout outs to the freebies.
Okay.
It's from Avery.
Shout out to Avery.
Mark's here.
Guam,
You can use his phone.
oh my
Guam
God.
Network Skate.
Skate Network.
He has a fisheye.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah. That was for fun. Let's get one more. We can get better. Jasper's over here fucking laughing that shit off.
The way you fell was pretty funny.
Got some fucking monies on the line. That's like 10 cents. 10 cents.
Oh, 10 cents.
Ka-ching! Yeah, we popping pills up in this bitch. Ibuprofen. That's what you need when you're fucking old. Ibuprofen. Or what's that called? Midol or fucking Midori. I forgot what it's called.
Midori.
No. What's the other one? Midori is like a fucking drink. Motrin. Or Tylenol will be your best friend. Or Advil will be your best friend when you're injured or when you're fucking old like me. I leave. Wait, I'm not focused.
Me, I'm chilling. This is mine.
For the future. Fuck, dude.
Fuck my fucking foot, dude. No
Jasper's playing smart over here. He got a Dr. Scholl.
I got a Dr. Scholl, nigga.
Let me have your other one.
This right here is Guam weather. Super beautiful blue skies and then hella dark rainy clouds coming. Ooh. Ooh, I want that one. Ah! Damn, bro. Half-baked. Pizza! Oy. Damn, let's see the other one in the back. What's that one? Oh, CJ.
Guam.
Hell yeah.
Guam, bomb.
It's my homie Mongo Gino.
Gino Mango.
Gino Mango. First try kickflip. Put the shit down.
No, hospital.
Or whatever you got, man. Oh, that was first try, dog.
Not even Friday.
Not even Friday. Hey, no, what you doing there, dude?
That's my mail.
That's mine.
Hey, burning my mail.
Arson.
Yo.
Let Jammer. Stop it, dude. Stomp this shit out. Boom. Come, bird! Birdie! You just learned how to call birds. What is that?
This is a broken cigarettes.
Oh yeah, bro. Turn it. Don't burn it.
Burning this.
Oh, bend my... Huh?
Hang your toes.
Oh, it said bend your toes.
Shining the sky. Shining the sky. With your front leg. Your heel, your back heel matches with the edge. Is that hard?
Ah.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna try out this mini light with batteries, which I have not tried in a while. Let's get it. Banging! Oh, you got that. I saw that. I see that. I saw it. Half baked. What?
That's Dededo.
That was so whack.
Half-baked.
Half big. For me?
I'll show you my insole. Since you guys' insoles are fucking blown out and he's using Dr. Scholl's, this is a life skate hack. It's not a regular insole in there, but you have a cardboard insole bar just for extra protection. But this insole is probably like the shittiest in the world.
What the fuck?
It's a whole fucking cardboard
Yo,
insole.
look at the
bar.
socks though.
Bro,
That's fire.
SpongeBob, me boy.
The socks
Bro, look at this fucking insole, Dave.
Yo.
I cut them out and I put them in just for a little
You like
extra.
traced it and shit?
Yeah, that's my insole besides the other insole.
I need
Cardboard,
I need me
sponsor
that.
me.
Cardboard sponsor me? What?
That's it, bro.
Bro, this is so dumb.
Last one right
Right,
here,
right.
Pizza.
Oh.
Wow, you didn't want it. You like just you stepped off.
My foot didn't want it. It was kind of good.
Take your flip.
Sorry, dude. Where's my board? Oh, cool, good. It's under the phone.
Bounce! Fake your flip. Fake your flip. Whoa! See you later, bro. Don't do drugs.